Hey, hi folks. I hope you all are doing good. I thought of giving you a few of my watch collections, which have, as you can see, a lot of boxes in background. So I'm trying to get in touch with all these brands and all the collections which I have. So nothing is complete without the Casio F91, of course, one of the most famous watch. And this is being made in Thailand. So as you can see, it's a made in Thailand watch. I love this, hardly 21 grams in weight, and this is a perfect choice for daily wear. And my second collection to the Casio F91 is the black edition of it, which I love the most, which get suited to all kind of dresses that you wear. Is the Casio F91W in the matte black collection. So this is a perfect one. This is a complete black collection. I love it. No more writings, no more border, seamless design, same configuration. Is an absolute collection which I have. I love these watches. And the next I have is the made in Japan, the rare Casio A159W. This is something which I don't really wear about. The reason why this is limited. So as you can see, it's different from the A158 model, and this is made in Japan. As you can see, the buckle of the watch is also different compared. I got a hologram sticker right here, and this literally I feel like not wearing every day, but because it might cause some scratches. So this is a feel-good watch, classic vintage watch. As you can see, there's a green box in back, so this watch came in that box. I love this watch. And coming to the next collection, I have this Casio Youth AE1500. So this is one of the toughest 10-year-old battery life watch, which I kind of use it daily because this is, you can use it daily. So this is a wonderful watch which amber light in the backside, so that really lights up the screen when you're in the darkness, and giving a water resistant of nearly 100 meters. So this is pretty much simple and much useful watch with 5 times of alarm, and the display is pretty bigger, so it's legible in any conditions, and it got a metal button. So this is a daily wear which I use from Casio. And another collection from the Casio G-Shock is the Midmaster, which I've been using this watch since last 7 years, and it is not compared to any of the G-Shocks I have, because I love the thing that this is a dual illuminator watch. So when we lit the screen, you can see the writings in the background being filled with EL light, and the Midmaster series is actually really strong. You cannot literally press light with these buttons. You gotta be very hard with these buttons. So this is an absolute tough G-Shock watch which I use daily. So this is one of the collection of my G-Shock watch. Coming to my second G-Shock watch, that is the D7900 model, and this is pretty old watch. It has already been stopped and discontinued, so right now Casio is not providing this kinds of watch. Believe it or not, I've been using this watch since 10 years, and I changed the battery only once. This to have the same EL light, which is legible to the whole screen and also functions in auto EL. Complete, strong, durable watch for daily use. I've been using this watch for like 10 years, and it works absolutely perfect in any rugged conditions. Another model from the Casio AE1000 is this 10-year-old watch. This is pretty old one. As you can see, there's a lot of scratches on the screen because I used it daily, and it's since 2012, I believe, and the battery is not yet been changed. It still has an amber light, and it pretty much lights up the screen. And I just changed the strap because I like this transparent strap. I just changed it, and it gives me a new look. This is an absolute battery life watch. I think this model is also available in Amazon or Flipkart you can get it. Now let's switch the brand. This is from Timex. As you can see, this is the Expedition series, and this is also an older watch which has Expedition badging in the back. And this model, particularly this model, has the vibration alarm. As you can see, the vibe, combo and tone, so this provides the feedback and also provides the famous Indiglo perfection night light in this watch, which glows in the night. And the Timex Expedition watches are really tough. As you can see, there's a crack here which happened during an accident, but still the watch is running, and due to the impact, few of the display has been gone, as today's Tuesday and you can hardly read it as Tuesday, but still the watch is running. And no problem with the glass or the strap. This is the original strap from Timex and is not yet changed yet. This is a perfect watch for rugged usage. And coming to vintage collections, I have one of the most loved followed watch from Timex Expedition. This also features a leather strap, but believe me, this is not the original Expedition leather strap because it is not in stock. So I thought of buying something genuine leather which has a color match with the bezel of the watch along with the strap. So this is very pretty much lightweight, like 35 grams, and this also features the Indiglo light which you can light up the screen the whole day, and you can just check the screen. It's completely visible the whole night. So it got an analog and digital watch, have alarm, stopwatch and timer. This is a perfect watch for daily usage. And I also prefer some classic collections from Timex. So this is a model which I use during any functions or any casual or formal dress. So this is from Casio. This watch is also a daily wear. I love it. 30-meter water resistant, and I've been using this since 2 years, and one perfect timepiece watch from Timex. I also prefer using some non-branding items. So you see, this is from V2A. It's an Indian brand. I've been using this watch since 6 years, and this watch is doing pretty well. It got a dual timing setup like analog and digital, and this is pretty tough watch. I've been using this since the last 6 years, and the battery is also not changed. It got alarm, backlit, all the features available, but the thing is, the case is resin, so you don't get a metal case. As you can see, the colors has been decolorized at the bottom where it get contact with the skin. You see, it's all like yellowish. It's just coated in silver paint, but daily usage is a perfect watch. This is an absolute beast. You also get the black edition of this watch. I think this is somewhere around like 1,500, 1,700 in Amazon. A good purchase. If you see one, just go and buy it straight. And last but not least, I have one more watch called the brand Timewear. It's 3-meter water resistant, showing the day and the date. This is pretty much simple watch. The only one thing which I like about this watch is it got a nylon strap, so this is good. So nylon straps gives more life compared to the leather and the metal. I love this watch, and this is pretty much simple. It got a beige color background in the watch. It's working, but it's a new purchase, but I'm not sure. I need to put a review after like 1 year. This is only recently purchased, so it got a very tough back covering and the glass in the front. I think this is a value for money purchase. I think this is around like 800 rupees in Amazon and Flipkart, so go ahead and buy. This is a very good purchase, and this is a metal case with an anodized black powder coat paint, so you can set up the time, the day and the date with a single crown. So I love this watch. It's for good and daily wear. And I'm not trying to compare, but this is my MI Band 5 smart band. This is my first smart band which I bought it, so I never had an experience for a smart band, but this band gave me the absolute experience. This is discontinued. This is MI band 5. I think now we have MI band 10. So this is the first my starting health band which I used. I love this band most because it's already been 8 years using this. No battery complaint. I only changed the straps, so it's pretty much working. Everything is working perfect. The charging is been nearly staying for like 4 to 5 days with the daily usage of heart rate. So this provides all the informations, and I'm not comparing with a smart band with a normal regular band. Just want to let you know that I also use MI band 5 as a regular watch. Oops, it's got a lock screen too. That's great. So that's all about my watch collections. As you can see, all the boxes have been kept, and I was talking about the Time Wearer black watch. So this is the box from that Time Wearer. It comes in a pretty good box with decent packing, and it's a good case. So, and this is the vintage collection from Casio. This comes in a very beautiful box in the vintage series, as like the normal G-Shocks normally comes in different box. So this one is the normal Casio box which comes here for the A159 and A158 and F91 and all, and the rest of the Timex comes like this. This is a authentic Timex box, always comes around. So all these were the watch collections. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and share it and support me for all the things. So I thank you for all your time. Have a great day. Bye.